Come viewers, in this video we will see the minimization of the Boolean function using Karnaugh map, K map with SOP form, don't care condition and different alternatives. What are the different alternative methods, different possible simplification. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Express the following function as the minimal sum of product using K map. We need to minimize this expression, Boolean expression, with a minimum sum of products. Right? The given function is f of a, b, c, d equal to sum of min term 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 15. Right? Then the don't care conditions are 7, 13 and 14. Right? So this is a 4 variable K map, A, B, C, D, 4 variables are available. The min terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 min terms are available. Then 3 don't care conditions are available. So we need to go for a construction of a 4 variable K map. So in this problem we will go to see the grouping of the cell with the 3 different alternatives. What are the possible alternate methods are available? First we will see the alternate method 1. First possible method of grouping. Right. So we need to construct the 4 variable K map. Right. So we will take this A, B, C, D as a 4 variable. A, B is given in the vertical manner, C, D is given in the horizontal manner. So A, B having 2 variables, so 4 possibilities are available. A bar, B bar, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That is the interchange between third and fourth row. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 available in fourth row, 1, 1 available in the third row. Right. So that 0, 0 means A bar, B bar. 0, 1 means A bar, B. 1, 1 means A, B. 1, 0 means A, B bar. Right. The A is 1, so that it is written as it is. B is 0. 0 means it is B bar. Right. Here A is 0, so that A bar. Right. So A means we need to take the complement, 1 means we can write as it is. Similarly CD having 2 variable, 4 possibilities are available. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also there is a interchange between third and fourth column. So 0, 0 means C bar, D bar. 0 means complement. 0, 1, C is 0, so that C bar, D. Here both are 1, so that C, D. 1, 0, D is 0, so that D bar, C, D bar. Right. Now we marked the 4 variable A, B, C, D. So the first cell is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Otherwise 0, 0, 0, 0. That is the first cell. Second cell is A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Otherwise 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that we can mark the given function. And other method is min terms. This min term directly we can mark it as a min term, because in this problem the min terms are given. So that is indicated by this red color numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3. There is an interchange between third and fourth column. 0 means this is M0, M1, M2, M3 min terms. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7. There is an interchange. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. There is an interchange between third and fourth row also. 12, 13, 14 and 15. Right. So these red color numbers are nothing but a min terms. So in the problem also min terms are given. So we can directly mark the min term in this K map. Right. Sometimes the function will be given A bar, B bar, C, D. A bar, B bar, C, D bar, like that. So that we have to mark. But here it is very easy. The min terms are directly given. The min terms are indicated by the red color number. Right. So there are 8 min terms are available, so that we can mark it as. So 0 is marked as 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, then 8, 10 and 15. These are all marked as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 min terms are marked. Right. What are the min terms? 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 15. Right. These 8 min terms are marked. Then we have the 3 don't care conditions are available. 7 is the one of the don't care condition. then 13, then 14, right? These three don't care condition also available. So this don't care condition, if we needed, we can take it into account while grouping the ones. If it is needed, we can take the don't care condition. That at the same time, it is not necessary to cover all the don't care condition and all the don't care terms. If we need, we can take it into account, otherwise we can leave it. For example, here these two don't care conditions are we are using to group this in order to get the 4 cell grouping. At the same time, this one is not taken into account. So that is the meaning. If we need, we can take it, otherwise we can leave it, right? Now we'll see this first alternate method. What are the possible methods are available? See, these the ones are available at the corners. So this one is available individually, right? So we need to concentrate how to group this one, right? So this one having possibility to group with this one having possibility to group with this one having possibility to group with this. So that these two ones are not having any other possibilities, right? The other ones are nearby, one more one is available, so that we can group these two one or these two one or these two one. But these two ones are available individually, so that we have to think about these two one first. First we need to concentrate these two ones, right? So while checking, it is possible to group all 4 corners, so that we are getting the grouping of 4 cells, right? So the first grouping is these ones are grouped at the 4 corners, right? The second group is these 4 cells are grouped together. So we are taking this don't care condition. This don't care condition we are taking, so that we are getting the grouping of 4 cell. The third grouping is grouping of these 4 cells, red color line. So we are taking these two don't care condition taken into account, right? So that we are getting 3 groups. One is all corner, second one is these 4 cell, third one is these 4 cells at the center, right? Now we need to get the expression for this. In order for the expression for this grouping, first we will take the grouping of corners, 4 corners, right? 4 corners mean what we need to refer? We need to refer this first row. Similarly, second row. The cell, the ones where it is available, the corresponding row must be verified. Similarly, the corresponding column, first column and fourth column, right? So these two ones and these two ones. So these two ones available in first row, these two ones available in last row. So we need to verify this. What is available? A bar, B bar, A, B bar. So A bar, A cancel. Only we have B bar, right? Only we have B bar. So that is this B bar is there. Similarly, these two one available in the first column, these two one available in the last column. So that we need to verify first column and last column. C bar, D bar, C, D bar. What happened? C bar and C got cancelled. Only we have D bar. D bar available in both the first column and fourth column. So that is the D bar, right? So grouping of 4 ones at the corner, we got the simplified expression as B bar, D bar, right? It is clear, right? Then we'll go to the second grouping of this 4 cell. What is correspondingly available? It is A bar, B. There is no cancellation, only one row. So this is given A bar, B bar. What about this column? This 4 column. These 4 cells are available in 4 columns. This C bar, D bar cancelled by CD. C bar, D cancelled by CD bar, right? C bar cancelled by C, D cancelled by D bar. So all are got cancelled. So only we have A, B bar, A bar, B, right? So while referring all 4 column got cancelled. Then we'll go to the third grouping at the center, right? Where it is available in the second row and third row. Similarly, second column and third column. What is available in second row and third row? A bar, B, A, B. So that A bar, A got cancelled. Only we have B. So that is B is available. Similarly, second row, second column and third column. C bar, C got cancelled. Only we have D is available. That is given. So BD. So grouping of this center 4 cell, while grouping these 4 cell at the center, what we got? BD, right? This is the one possibilities. So we got the final value A bar B plus BD plus B bar D bar. right? Now we'll go to the second alternative. What is the second alternative available for the grouping of these cells? Now we'll see the second alternate method. The second alternate method, same thing. These 4 ones are grouped together. At the corner, these 4 ones are grouped together. And similarly, these 4 cells are grouped together. Only at the center it is grouped in the previous alternate. But here we are going to group these 4 cells. That is a next possibility, right? Instead of grouping the 4 cells at the center, this third and fourth column, the 4 cells are grouped together. That is another possibilities, right? So while grouping the corner 4 cell, we already discussed, we got the value as B bar, D bar, right? Similarly, while grouping these 4 cell, what we got? A bar, B, that also available, right? So these two are already available in the alternate one also. Only this is changed, right? So these two are available in the second row and third row, but third column and fourth column, right? Second row and third row, what is available? A bar, B, AB. So A bar, A cancel, only we have B is available. Similarly, third column and fourth column, C D bar. So D bar got cancelled, only we have C, right? That is BC. Okay, that is the only change. These two terms are already available in the alternate method 1 also. Only this third grouping is different. In that, what we got? BC, right? So the final value is A bar B plus BC plus B bar D bar, right? So this is the second alternate method. Now we'll go to the third alternate method. What will happen in the third method? We will see that what is available in the third method. So in the third method, again same thing. These 4 corners are grouped together. There is no other alternate. These two ones are having no other alternate. So we need to group only these 4 corners. And this is already available in the alternate method 1, right? This alternate method 1, we grouped at the center. So this also available in the alternate method 1, right? The third, what is the difference? These 2 cells and these 2 cells are grouped together. Right and left corners, right? The earlier we grouped these 4 cells. Now these 2 cells and these 2 cells are grouped together, right? That is the only difference, right? So while grouping the corner, what we got? B bar, D bar. That already discussed in the first method as well as in the second method. B bar, D bar, right? Similarly, while grouping the center, what we got? We got the A bar, D bar. We got this value A bar, D bar, right? Now only we need to check these 2 cells, right? So these 2 cells available in the first row and second row. Similarly, is available in the first column and last column, right? So we'll refer this first row and second row. A bar, B bar, A bar, B. So B bar cancel. What we have A. So this is the second term. BD is the term due to the combination of due to the grouping of 4 cells. This one, not this, right? So the grouping of corner B bar, D bar, grouping at the center BD. Now we are referring grouping of these right and leftmost corners. So what we got? A bar. B bar, B got cancelled. A bar is there. Similarly, we are referring the first column and last column. What we have? C bar, D bar, C, D bar. So C bar, C got cancelled. Only we have D bar. This D bar is available. So A bar, D bar, right? So in this method, only difference is these corners are very similar to the first alternate method. The grouping of center cell also similar to first alternate method. Only change is these 2 cells and these 2 cells, right and leftmost corners, are grouped together instead of grouping these 4 cells. So due to that, what we got? A bar, D bar, right? So the final answer is A bar, D bar plus BD plus B bar, D bar, right? So we discussed the 3 different alternate methods. In all 3 alternate methods, this term is commonly available. There is no other way. There is no other possibilities. We need to group all 4 corners. So B bar, D bar available in all 3 alternate methods. This center and grouping of these 4 cell and grouping of this right and leftmost corner is different in the 3 methods. So in this problem, we discussed about the simplification of Boolean function with the don't care condition with the 3 different alternate grouping methods. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.